how to reset Android device in order to share and erase all of the content and the settings. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can factory reset Android device before selling it. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So before you factory reset your Android device, make sure that you have backed up all of your important data such as your contacts, your photos, your WhatsApp chats, and all of your important files and documents. So make sure that you have backed up all of your data and make sure to remove your Google account from your device. So once you have done that, now in order to perform the factory reset, open up settings in your device. Scroll all the way down and then tap on System. Under System, there is an option for Reset Options. Tap on it. And here is an option in order to erase all of your data or factory reset. Tap on it. After that, you have to confirm again by tapping on Reset Phone. Then it will ask you to enter your PIN or password of your device. Once you have performed the verification, tap on Erase Everything or Delete All, and then your phone will reboot and erase all of your application, accounts, files, and settings. After the reset, your device will start like new, and you can now safely hand it over to someone else or sell it. And that's how you can factory reset your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.